You remember last time, Shanna and Butterbean got into the mine, the underground mine. Past the underground mine, Annie Fraser is kidnapped with ropes. Butterbean! What's that train? Well, I don't know, Shanna. Mina Trinas is coming. Now guess the train that is choo-chooing. Who has 4 heroes? Junie Jones and their friends are going to save Shanna and Butterbean. She is Poppy and she is driving the train with her assistant Kimi. Poppy pulls the lever to make the train go faster. With faster wheels and faster steam and faster railroad tracks. Once they get to the other track, and once they get to the underground mine, Butterbean! Look at that train. That goes fast. Shanna. Oh, here they come. They're going to catch us. Mina, Trina. They're going to catch us. At last, the underground mine where Annie Fraser kidnapped. The train that goes fast, even for Shanna and Butterbean's railroad tracks. Even a train that goes fast. Well, Poppy has to slow the train down. And she tried pulling the lever. The train didn't slow down. You gotta slow down for the next episode for next Tuesday. Speedy Train Underground. Don't miss it.